Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a specific product to your coffee shop for a specific membership tier. So I hope that is clear. So if you are offering membership tiers, as you can see here, I have a few membership tiers. And in order to add a specific product that you want to sell to that membership tier, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to do this. So let me click on all my membership tiers here. And here I have, let's say, one tier that says special VIP. It's $1,000, right? Or 1,000 euros. And I'm going to add, for example, let's say a benefit that they will get special products, and then I'm going to walk you through how you can add that specific product to your shop that only these people in this specific tier can buy. Right? It's very useful, and I'm sure you'll find value within this. So let's get started. So what you want to do, guys, is the first thing is to go to your home or click your burger menu and go to your membership tiers, and let's set this up. So here you can see that I'm in my membership, and these are my tiers. Now you can either add a new tier if you want to and add all of those good stuff, or you can easily go ahead and edit one of those existing tiers. So I'm going to edit this, let's say this special VIP tier. Now, you can go ahead and you can add that specific benefits. As you can see, they have exclusive content, exclusive discounts, exclusive requests. Now you can click add benefit, and there is an option that says exclusive shop items. Now these ones are, let's say, a preset there that you can add them. But if you want to add your specific one, your own custom, you can just simple type whatever you want here and click on add. Right, so you can just easily add that and you can add your own custom benefit, right? Very easy. But let's use this one for now, exclusive shop items. So I'm going to add that to the tier, and all I'm going to do now is just click and save. So this specific VIP tier, if I go back to my page, let's put it like that, and go to those membership tier, let's view all of them, you can see they have exclusive shop items. So let's say now you're ready to create a new product and it's going to be only for these people. How do you go about and add that? Now all you have to do is just simply go back into your profile and you will have the option that says shops. You click on shops, and here you want to go ahead and ensure that your shop is on if it's your first product, or if it's not your first product, just go ahead and click on add product. Now I'm going to go ahead and give this product name. So I'm going to call this VIP guides, for example. Let's call it that, VIP. Let's put it in uppercase, VIP guides. And it's going to be a digital product. It can be physical or digital. Let's leave it as that. Click on next. And here I'm going to give it a description. So I'm going to call it VIP guides again, just to make this, easy and fast. I'm going to upload a picture here. You can upload a preview picture. Let's upload a picture of this kid. And you can go ahead and, give the product a description here, right? So you can go ahead and add the description or the summary of that product. You can add a category. This is useful. So if you have existing categories, you can select one. Otherwise, you can create one. And I can just say VIP, right? Let's call that one VIP add, and it's going to be VIP, right? So let's click save. Now you want to upload the product, obviously, right? So click and upload the asset. This is what they will get when they purchase it. And I'm going to choose, I think I have some docs here that I can choose. Doc 6, let's choose this option here. I'm going to upload this file here and go ahead and set the price. Now for VIPs, I'm going to call this, let's say it's going to be £1,000, €1,000, right? For that. Now, here is where it gets really interesting. Here you have some additional option. You can say leave a message for buyer, and you can basically, put it whatever. You can say limited quantity. You can enable that, and you can just say, whatever it is. Just basically, if you want to make it, let's say a limited quantity. It's optional. You don't have to. But here is where you get really interesting. Under it says who can buy this item. You want to go ahead and select monthly supporters, and then you want to choose a specific tier and choose your tier that actually offers this. So in my case, as you saw before, it's the special VIP. And then you want to go ahead and basically add, accept those terms here and click on save and publish. And that's it. So only that specific tier will be able to buy that product. So let's check out the product as well. Let's go to my shop, view shop. And here you will see that I have the product here. And here it says members only, right? And if you click on that, you would be able to see that only a specific VIP or let's say a specific audience can buy that. So if I go ahead and view the shop, let's go ahead and view the shop. I'm gonna go ahead and open this in, for example, like incognito so that you can see it and you will see basically how that actually works. So this is the product. It says members only. If I click on it, right, and I want to buy it, you see that only special VIP can buy this. And it says it even tell you to join. So you are only buy this if you're VIP, if you're a special VIP member. So without that, you don't have a buy option there. How cool is that? So you have to join this first. And then once you join this, you will see that you have the exclusive shop item that you can get. And then you can continue to just proceed. So you pay this, and then afterwards, as an exclusive member, you can actually buy this. So that's really, really cool, right? So that's how you can easily go ahead, guys, and set up a product for a specific membership tier in Kofi. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.